Hi friends, and welcome to day 5 of introductions for our anniversary release. Today we are introducing December Duo. This set has 4 stamped images. They are all so very sweet and they are so cozy together celebrating the holidays. The set also contains 6 matching sentiments. Of course, we also offer the matching creative cuts, and we are introducing the Fair Isle cover die. And this is what our sweet duos look like when all stamped out. I'm truly in love with all of them and I just can't choose which set of critters is my favorite. Today I'm showing you how to color the bunnies with their sweet little duo sweater. Now if you can't catch what colors I'm using, check the description below because I listed them over there. For today's card I will be using both of the sets of critters that have the matching Christmas sweaters. As you will see, I chose them because I thought they would match perfectly with the Fair Isle cover die. The new cover die immediately reminded me of a Christmas sweater. Now let's get to the coloring. course, I'm adding white gel pen accents like I always do. And that finishes my coloring for today. Now let's check out that amazing new cover die. I hope you can see why I was reminded of a Christmas sweater so much. I used some regular masking tape as well as different colors of ink that matched my critters. You can also create different looks with this die by combining it with a different color on the back. For today's card, I chose to go with a white background. I'm making 2 standard A2 sized cards. On top of my cover die, I am using the pop-up trellis bloom to create a window. I used white embossing powder on pink paper to use 2 of the sentiments from the set. And as I said, I'm using the little penguins and the little bunnies for my cards. Because I wanted to create an indoor Christmas scene, I stamped 2 of the tree images from the Decorate the Tree stamp set. I put everything together using a combination of foam tape and liquid glue. What I love especially about this new stamp set is that the sentiments go so perfectly with the set, as they are focused on both of us, the 2 of us, twice as nice. I think it goes super well with each other. And that finishes my 2 cards for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release is available from the 15th of September, and I'll see you tomorrow for another day of introductions. Bye!